What is the TikTok Shop toolset? The TikTok Shop toolset refers to the full suite of features and resources that sellers can use within the TikTok Shop ecosystem to manage their online store, list, and promote products, track performance, and optimize operations. It includes tools for product listing and inventory management, shop analytics, influencer collaboration, and customer engagement. Within this toolset, sellers will find capabilities such as bulk listing products, syncing inventory, managing orders directly through the seller dashboard, and viewing key metrics on traffic, conversions, and sales. These tools allow sellers to streamline workflow, reduce manual tasks, and make data-driven decisions for their TikTok Shop business. The seller dashboard provides performance insights, while listing and engagement tools support marketing and product strategy. For Amazon sellers and multi-channel merchants, Helium 10 extends the TikTok Shop tool set by offering deeper integrations. You can convert existing product listings, map SKUs across marketplaces, connect with influencers, and track profitability across channels all in one platform. Many sellers use Helium 10 to unlock the full potential of the TikTok Shop tool set alongside their existing operations. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to the comprehensive toolset for TikTok Shop, product analytics, listing optimization, and growth tools that help you scale your business with clarity and confidence.